Hello again. If you've looked at some of my other reviews, you'll know that one of my favourite tech gadgets is the smart glasses, and I've got a variety of them, from AI, AR, VR, all sorts of bits and pieces. And if I'm honest, there seems to be a whole load of these things. They're popping up left, right and centre. I got 3 pairs of smart glasses. So the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses Gen 1, I've had that. They were my first AI glasses, had them for a while. I've just purchased the Oakley Meta HSTN, I think they're called, smart glasses. I was thinking of getting the Gen 2 of these, which has just been released. The Gen 2s have got a higher resolution video, and that's about the main feature, if I'm honest. And so is this. So this is a 3K video, both 12 megapixel cameras. A little bit more battery life on these than the Gen 2s, but basically the same thing. And I've also got another couple of pairs of AI glasses on Kickstarter that I've been waiting for seemingly ages. If you are to believe the likes of Mark Zuckerberg and others, we're all going to be ditching these phones sometime real soon and replacing them with glasses. The capabilities of these glasses is getting a lot better. The AI is getting a lot better. The one thing I will say with both of these, bear in mind that they're Meta AI glasses, is they are Meta AI glasses. And Meta AI is okay, but it's no ChatGPT, and it isn't really. It's kind of a weakness, I guess. A couple of things that I wanted to check out. Firstly, I've got these, and someone said actually you can charge the Meta glasses in this case and the Oakley glasses in that case. Can you? Yes, you can, because that's exactly what I'm doing now. So hopefully you can see the light. And these are my Ray-Ban Meta glasses in the Oakley case being charged, and this one is the Oakley glasses being charged in the Meta glasses case. So that's kind of useful to some extent if you want to take one case and swap your glasses out between them. I still prefer the look of the Ray-Ban, if I am honest. They look like a normal pair of glasses. They function just as well as any of the AI glasses I've got. In fact, these really are my favourite until I got the Oakleys. The Oakleys, same thing, but slightly different design. I think I look more like an agony aunt wearing these, if I'm honest, but whatever. Really just wanted to show you that these 2 pairs of glasses are probably the current market leaders. Having said that, I was very reluctant to actually buy the Oakleys because Meta have announced that they're going to release the end of this month, at the end of September, I believe, the Ray-Ban display glasses. As the name suggests, they have a little colour display in them, and I was thinking, oh, I'll wait, I'll buy those. Unfortunately, I'm in the UK, the second cousin to the US when it comes to technology, and we've got to wait until it just says next year. So that's why I've decided to buy these. I still love the Ray-Bans, but I've had these now for probably 18 months, coming on a little bit longer, and maybe 2 years almost. And I'm a bit concerned because I've had a couple of problems with charging and the battery. They seem all right at the moment, and that's pretty much the main reason I purchased them. This apparently will give you 48 hours of charge from the case itself, and obviously that plugs into USB-C. This gives you, I think it's 36, at least when it was brand new. So that's it. I'll post some image videos that I've taken with both of these. As I say, they're both 12 megapixel stills, so I didn't see the point in comparing photos. but I thought I'd show you the 3K. Incidentally, when you get this out of the box and you pair it with the Meta AI app, the default is set to the same as this, so basically HD 1K effectively, so you have to change it. Likewise, the length of the video is set to 1 minute, or in fact, I think it might have even been 30 seconds on this. I prefer the longer videos, so I've set them both to 3 minutes. There is a new update which I installed this morning that's supposed to have a few new features. I tend to find that when they say, oh, these new features are great, try them, you try it and then it goes, this isn't available in the UK at the moment. So I'll test that out and let you know at the end of this video whether the new features work and whether they work on both of these. That's enough of waffle from me. That is it, and basically over and out from the smart glass world. Bye. Okay, so I'm filming this on the Ray-Ban Meta's first gen. This is my little man cave called the Naffy, to compare the video quality from these to the Oakley's, which I've just literally purchased. So let's see how they compare. So this is obviously a lot lower, well, a fair bit lower resolution. In theory, they're both the same 12 megapixel cameras. I will take a photo on both, but I will just compare the video in the main. Okay, so I've just taken receipt of the Oakley Meta smart glasses, and I'm filming this on the Ray-Ban smart glasses. I was toying with getting the Generation 2 Ray-Bans, but I decided to do this because I'm going to actually go and get the display glasses when they become available. So this is just a simple unboxing. That's assuming I can never get this thing out of here. There we are. I'm assuming. Oh, blimey, they don't make it easy for you. There we are. So there we are. That's the difference. I'm led to believe, I will find this out because I'm going to be doing a review in due course, that you can actually put the Ray-Bans in that case and vice versa. We'll have to see. So we got a few bits and pieces, and do they provide a cable? They've got a cloth. Don't think they do. No, so no cable as far as I can tell in here, but there we are. It's the normal sort of decent packaging that you expect from these sort of companies. That's especially at this sort of price. And there we are. We've got a green light, so I'm hoping that means that they're fully charged, but I'll find out. I've gone for the transition glass lenses, and I'm hoping that they don't look too weird on me. I do like the Ray-Ban, the design of them. These are a little more quirky, for want of a better word. I'm not sure, but I'll probably be recognised a bit more wearing those. But okay, I'm going to check them out, charge them up, link them to the app, and I will be doing a review in due course on whether these are any good. I mean, if I'm perfectly honest, they're pretty much the same thing, apart from the little bit more battery life in that, and a better camera, so 3K video, still both 12 megapixel photos. But for me, I use these Ray-Bans I use predominantly for videos and photos. So hopefully having a 3K as opposed to a 1K will be better. As you can see, it's looking already promising for the Bluetooth. So I'll come back to you once I've actually got these up and running.